So we're currently facing an issue with how we're going to install the corner facade. The methodology sent through from the facade company was to use a spider crane and reach out and install each of the panels. But as we're nearing the corner of the building, we've worked out that to do it safely, we can't get around the columns with the spider cranes due to the loading on the slab. With using the BIM model, we can explore before we get to the corner, just to ensure we're doing it safely. We check the loadings on the crane and methodology, how we're actually going to install it safely. Yeah, so currently we're looking at using the tower crane, but depending on loading, we might end up getting a 70-ton crane from the ground and lifting that up into place. Another area that we identified, we had to work out whether the roofer was going to go forward and install all the parapet walls. However, we looked into the BIM model and we could see that there was the top connection of the facade panels. It was impossible to do so with that internal lining in place. So we've actually had to hold back the roofers. So the facade will go right around the building, and then the roofers will start installing. They'll follow the facade guys through. If we didn't already have that, we would already be starting to install the internal parapet wall, and then we'd have an issue of having to remove that and basically install the panels and then go back. So all the reworks as well that we'd have to do, obviously working at heights, continuing having exclusion zones down underneath us. I mean, we need to get away from the exclusion zones once the work's finished, to allow other workers to complete their works below.